welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and I'm very excited to reveal the teaser of brand new project by MJR Builders that is codenamed Life is Green Phase 1. It is in Aerospace Park, Bangalore in North Bangalore. And in this teaser, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount and offers, and many more. But before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview. But before that, let me show you the land parcel. So the land parcel is just behind me where the construction work is going on behind that construction work. Now, about the project overview, so this project will be constructed on total 15.45 acres of land parcel with total of 6 towers. Currently, they are launching with phase 1 consisting of 2 towers, that is tower 2 and tower 3. And here you will be getting 3 BHK regular and 3 BHK simplex premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located in Hennur, Bangalore Road towards New Toll-Free Airport Road in North Bangalore. Now coming to the further location and connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Reva University in 5 minutes. 10 minutes away from SAPLEB office, 15 minutes from Kempegowda International Airport, 25 minutes away from Manyata Tech Park. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project is coming up with 40 plus luxurious amenities like of 37 square feet of grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, garden area and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, so here you'll be getting 3 BHK regular and 3 BHK simplex premium residency. So 3 BHK regular is starting from 1860 to 2057 square feet and 3 BHK simplex is 1650 to 1750 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process, so project token windows are open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel of the project and the model flat once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the token. So everyone, this was the project of the very new launch project by MJR Builders located in Aerospace Park, Bangalore in North Bangalore with code name Life is Green Phase 1.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.